Okay, we have to prepare the chicken first. You have to salt. You have to put some salt to your chicken and some pepper. Okay. And we'll drench them to the flour. Okay, I'll just finish this and I'll show you how I fry the chicken. Okay, I just finished drenching the chicken into the flour. Heat your frying pan and put a good amount of oil. I'm using sunflower oil, but you could use whatever oil you want. You could use olive oil, vegetable oil, or cooking oil. Okay, let it heat for a little bit and we could fry the chicken. Okay, I think the oil is ready, so we could start frying the chicken. Or not yet. We should at least wait more minutes. Okay, I'm starting to fry the chicken on a low medium heat. Put them carefully onto your frying pan. I actually put a lid on my frying pan so the chicken will cook thoroughly. See? Okay, chicken is done. So we'll set aside. We'll set it. Same pan, we will saute the onion. With the same pan, we will saute the onion. On a medium low heat. So it won't burn. we could add the mushroom. I am using portobello mushroom. You could also use white button mushroom if you want. Season it with some salt. And we could add the garlic. Okay, I just add the garlic, the minced garlic. So what I have here is in the same pan where I fried the chicken and a bit of oil that was left. That is the onion with the mushroom and the garlic and some salt. Just saute everything a bit. I add the yellow mustard. We'll add a teaspoon of Worcestershire sauce. About a teaspoon. Okay. I hope I pronounce it well. Worcestershire sauce. Okay, let it simmer. Let it simmer. And then we'll add the cream. And the last ingredient is some parsley. This is dried parsley, but actually it's better with the fresh one, but I don't have right now. So I will use this one. Of course, if you have fresh, that's better, I think. Okay, my cream is done, so we'll put back the chicken. I just place them right on top of the cream, just like that, and we're done. I hope you'll try this recipe at home. It's very easy and delicious. Thank you for watching. I hope my kids will like this because, you know, they're a little bit of juicy kids. So thank you for watching. If you like the video, please do give me a thumbs up and subscribe. See you again. Bye.